here. We're going to have a look at Copperhead Road in a sort of an arranged fashion today. I've got this guitar tuned to drop D, so this is a D rather than an E, so you need to go down a tone, 2 semitones. This is a D. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do it in levels. You can play that riff, you can not play that riff. What happens on the record is much more sort of pared down. I was getting a bit excited there at the front, you know. I'm on the telly and stuff, you know, I understand that. So what you can do is just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to come back into that riff. So that is B, go down, up, so B, A, and then open, and then back. Right? So you're getting, right? So the whole 4 bars is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, second bar, 2, 2, 3, third bar, then down, up, open, down, back into the chord. So that happens again. Right. Now, then you're going to hit a G. A G, because we've got this low string tuned down to D, we're going to need to adjust the G, so that is not going to work. So we're playing actually a G5 here. We've got 5, 5, open, open, 3, 3. It's a cool sound, hey? So we're going to hit 2 bars of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, then D. Right, so that's kind of level 1. Right, level 2, thanks for sticking around. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A bit more strumming in. You see my strumming was happening there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And also I'm leaving this here the whole time and I'm using my pinky to play the riff. I'll come to that in a second, right? So G, right? That kind of thing. So that was kind of level 2, a bit more strumming. Level 3, we're going to go. So you can see there's a bit more happening here. We're catching more of the melody in the song on the guitar. So what we can do there, we get D. Now, we're going to go up to C. Now, you can do this anyway. I was used to using one finger there. Right? But with my right hand, I was being very careful not to hit the top 2 strings. So, right? So that was C, B, B, G, A. Brain just stopped there for a second. Now, always in drop D tuning, a really cool thing is to hit that F5. Particularly if you're not in major or minor, which is what we're doing here. We're kind of in this sort of in-between land. So you get the whole vibe of the tune there. It's really, really fun way to play it. Other little riffs you can do a little rundown, which I stole from The Chain by Fleetwood Mac. right? You know, that goes. And then it eventually goes. You know what I mean. Anyway, so that's a cool riff. That's 3-0-3-0-3-0. Right? So you ciao. Right, I know you didn't come here for that. All right, so Copperhead Road, that's really, really how you play it. If you want more information or the chart or stuff like that, that'll be available at patreon.com/Simon Morel. I'm going to go make another cup of coffee. I'll see you next time. Ciao. Bye.